Your Excellency, Ms. Patricia Espinosa, Executive Secretary of the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, heads of delegations, Excellencies, climate action partners, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambulu Vinaka, Namaste, and a very good morning to you all. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to Fiji for this important gathering, especially our friends who have traveled from abroad. Thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, at the outset, I would like to recognize all of our Pacific partners who have provided steadfast support and wise counsel since the establishment of the Climate Action Pacific Partnership in July this year. This has been very greatly appreciated by me and my team as we work to prepare for COP23 next month. Again, I say Vinaka. I would also like to convey warm greetings on behalf of my co-level champion, Her Excellency Akim El-Haiti, who unfortunately cannot be here with us due to prior commitments. She has, however, expressed strong support for this event and is very much looking forward to receiving an update on our discussions and decisions. Friends, the Partnership Days event is organized under the umbrella of the Marrakesh Partnership for Global Climate Action. Our goal is to provide a platform for you, our partners, both party and non-party stakeholders, to exchange ideas and discuss solutions on how we can accelerate climate change. I don't need to tell any of my fellow Pacific Islanders just how urgent the situation is. We know more than most what it is like to live with the extreme effects of climate change, whether it be rising seas, extreme weather events, or changes to agriculture. This is why we are aiming for the more ambitious target of the Paris Agreement, which is to limit the rise in the global temperature to within 1.5 degrees above the pre-industrial level. For us, this is minimum achievement that will require the full participation of the Grand Coalition, which includes all levels of government, the private sector, civil society, and ordinary men and women. In this spirit, the information that is exchanged during this event will be extremely valuable for my co-champion and me, as it provides us with guidance on how we can work with you to enhance progress and showcase your various efforts and initiatives. Friends, I once again warmly welcome you to our islands and invite you to enjoy our Mbula hospitality and spirit. Let us all unite for climate action, further, faster, together. Thank you, Daniel.